What's up, guys? Welcome to the episode of Tuned Engines, and on today's episode we're starting off the video in the Camaro. And also, guys, this video is gonna be a little bit different. So I went ahead and went paintballing with the boys. I went ahead and made a video with all the highlights and all like the cool parts of the game and everything, because we go all the time. So like, let me go ahead and record and make a video for the people of TV world. And also for my car enthusiasts, don't worry, I got y'all covered. We also went ahead and worked on the white truck, the race truck, the one we've been trying to, we put the 468 big block Chevy in. So go ahead and make sure to stay till the end to watch that part as well, and hear those big block Chevy horsepower. So make sure to stay up till the end so y'all can watch that. But anyways, guys, enough talk, let's go ahead and start the video.
Shut up, clock in and load up. Target neutralized. Shut up, clock in and load up.
Get down.
Be advised, your teammate got their ass kicked.
Target neutralized.
They just stay next to each other, so like if you see someone and I can tell you something right there, like to your right, to your right, to your right, to your right.
Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Target neutralized. Shut up, clock in, and load up.
Bruh.
He's out.
Target neutralized.
Oh, wow!
You good? Yeah, you're out. Right there, bro. You're out. He's on right there. Double contact. You see him? Nice. He's out. Mission failed. We'll get them next time.
Alright guys, so I hope y'all enjoyed the paintball thing. If y'all want more info like on like the gun I use and everything, comment down below. I'll be more than happy to answer. So we went ahead and also worked on the white truck, and this is what we fixed. We fixed electrical, fuel, leaks, and other small things, so we can get this truck dialed in. So here's us doing all that as well, and also hearing that big 7.4 600 horsepower engine again. Sounds super cool. Let's go ahead and start that video as well. guys, well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Let me know if y'all want to see more paintball videos as well, because like we go paintballing all the time and like it's really fun. But as always, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video for future content, and I'll see you all next time.